How to make a silicone camping cup with ComposiMold, a reusable mold making material. This is a good example of using ComposiMold with silicone as the casting material to make a cool shape that you can use. The original part was 3D printed, and I start by melting the ComposiMold and making a flat surface in a cup for this shape to be put in. Typically you should hot glue or attach your part to the bottom of the container to keep it in place, but because we're filling this with the ComposiMold, we don't have to do this. So we're pouring the ComposiMold up and around the shape, and then we're letting that cool to solidify. It took about an hour in the refrigerator to solidify, and now we're pulling off the outside and we're going to pull the shape out of the ComposiMold. So we have our mold. Now we're cutting off the bottom of the ComposiMold that we use to make a flat surface. I'm just using scissors as a knife. You can use a knife of any sort that you want to. Now the cool part about this is that part that I cut off is still remeltable and reusable. So I'm not wasting any material by doing it this way. ComposiMold can be remelted and reused as many times as you want. Now we have our shape, and we pull out the original, and then we mix the silicone. I added a little bit of green into the silicone because I like the color green, and I'll make lots of different colors. And I pour it right into the ComposiMold mold. Because it's silicone, I don't even need a mold release in this particular case. I could have used some. Typically vegetable oil works really well as a mold release if you're using epoxies. One of the great advantages of the ComposiMold is its transparency. So I can see if any of the silicone hasn't filled up into the gaps on the side of the cup. Nope, I don't see anything. Looking good. We'll let this solidify. It cures, this particular silicone cures in about a couple hours, but you can use any kind of silicone that you want. All of them work really well. I used a hardness of about 30 for this because I want it to be relatively stiff, but you can use something else as well. The great thing about silicone is I can just peel it right out without any issues. The ComposiMold is flexible enough. And there is our camping cup. I even printed out some letters on the side of it. That looked really nice. Now the ComposiMold can be remelted at this time, or we can reuse it to make lots and lots of different cups. So I had 9 people in our camping group, so I made 9 different cups. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about using ComposiMold. I will try to my best to answer, and have a great time.